Hey, big warm welcome back here once again, ladies and gents. You know who it is. JJ here once again. School of Trade, Sideways Markets. Happy Easter to everybody. Happy Easter, happy Passover. Hope you guys and gals had a restful and safe spending time with the friends and family over the weekend. Had a long weekend. We're back here. It's a Tuesday that feels like a Friday, kind of like a Monday, right? It's the first day of that week after the end of the first quarter. Remember we talked about this last week? We had the first week of April is always that challenging week, and then it's going to start getting real easy here now, going into this week ahead here now as we go into the meat and potatoes of the second quarter. Now, before we go talking about all the trades we took today, and we did take some successful trades today, as you can see, had a pretty good day out there this morning, followed our trading plan as usual. Want to remind all the members and the guests out there is risk out there in these markets, so please be careful with your risk capital. Speak to somebody you trust regarding your risk capital, guys, and don't be afraid to start a demo account first. One of the biggest mistakes that I made as a new trader was thinking incorrectly that I had to be trading live to learn anything. It could have been further from the truth. So remember, there's risk out there in these markets. Start slowly on a demo account, especially if you're a guest right now. If you're a guest, I highly encourage you watch our welcome video. For all the guests out there right now, I do want to make sure that I give you guys and gals a heads up on what to expect and what your realistic expectations are. If you're a guest right now, please take a moment to watch that welcome video. It was sent to you in the registration. It was also in the registration for the meeting today and in your trial section. All right, so make sure we've got, there we go, taking notes here, 12 o'clock Eastern time. All right, without any further delay, guests, be careful out there. Okay, members, don't forget, check out our brand new members trade room. Very exciting stuff here moving forward with the members trade room. So we have 2 live trade rooms. This one you're in right now and our members only trade room. They both have very distinct reasons to be open. First things first, today's Tuesday. We had a bunch of clues from the news today. Now we're going to get 3 clues today that we used. These 3 clues were also broken up into sub-clues. Clue number 1 was the news. There was no major news until 9:30. What did that tell us? Be patient. Be disciplined. Expect this to be a little bit slow and sloppy as it starts. What else does it tell us? It tells us, hey, we've got some Fed speakers this afternoon. We've got the EIA short-term energy outlook this afternoon. We've heard things from IMF all day, and this is the first day back after an extended break for the markets. What does that tell me to do, guys? That tells me to be patient. The same reason why you and I did not want to say goodbye to our vacation is the same reason why markets are slow and sluggish on a Monday morning. Oh, right, Monday morning. No, it's a Tuesday. Even worse, right? See, I catch myself just same way you do. Okay, we think it's a Monday because it's the first day back. It's that type of confusion that will get people off to a rocky start today. So we knew right away, first clue was be patient. First day back, get that wind at your back. Get that mojo back. Okay? Second clue we got. Now this one, I'm not a big fan of hindsight. Go back to your morning prep. There's a link on the blog called Morning Prep. Go back to the morning prep. And what did we see here out of the dollar heat map? The dollar heat map told us the dollar was rising. That was clue number 2A. Okay, so we got second clue, dollar rising on our heat map. That was posted right on the blog. We later on updated that, and it happened, right, still rising. So second clue, dollar heat map, dollar rising. What does that tell us, guys? It tells us stay net short for the highest percentage trades. Then we opened up the dollar charts. Again, don't take my word for it. Go back to the morning prep. We did a very detailed analysis in the morning prep on the dollar. There it is. And what do we see here? Here was the most important clue we got from the dollar. We knew that the dollar had a short-term bear channel. See it? There's your short-term bear channel. Now, what that tells me is that the dollar, because of the heat map, will likely try to go higher. And when it does, we're going to have a transitional area right at the top of that channel. And like I said, that's where you're going to get your best trades today. So the clue 2B, we already knew that dollar was trying to keep rising higher today, but we knew we had some overhead resistance. And what does overhead resistance tell us? It's called a turning point. And what is a turning point? It's where traders will react. And when traders react, what usually happens? We get a big enough clue to feel confident using this dollar to trade other markets we trade. It's a very simple dollar index correlation. Okay, so second clue was dollar moving higher, but one of the little clues